Hi beauties, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking to watch this video. My name is Marilyn. If this is the first time that you're watching one of my videos, welcome to the Beauty family. And like I said, my name is Marilyn. So today I wanted to give you a tutorial or update on my eyebrows. I haven't done one in over 6 months, I will say. So I want to give you how I do and how I feel in my eyebrows. My eyebrows are naturally not too bad, but I have some areas that it needs work, so I just like to enhance whatever I have. And I'm going to make this fairly easy for beginners. That way it will be easier for you guys as well. Product that I'm going to be using is very inexpensive. I think I paid like $3.99 for it, and I know in a video I said I didn't like the product, and I'm going to be talking about the Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Retractable Brow Pencil, and it's this one right here. I have two shades, and the shade that I have, it's the medium brown, and then I have a ash brown. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and share, so that way the Beauty family, it will keep on growing. So if you would like to know how I feel in my brows, then keep on watching. Let's go. First thing I'm going to be using, I'm going to give you a swatch of this one. It's the shade ash brown. So the pencil comes like this. Gives you a spoolie and then the pencil, and then it has about this shape. The way I use it is at the beginning, I like to apply it in my hand and kind of work it and warm it up to the skin. That way I can do like a sharp edge as much as I can. So this is the ash brown, and then I'm going to open up the medium brown so you guys can also see the shade. There you go. This is the medium brown, this is the ash brown. Since I have darker areas, I like to use both. I'll be starting on the front. I start with the ash brown and then continue using the other one for the other side. So what I like to do, I'm going to get very close to my mirror. If you see this, I'm sorry, but that's the mirror that I like to use. So I like to pencil in, and I'm going to be getting pretty close. I like to push up my brows or comb them. And then I'm going to start with small strokes, and I'm going to form the base from here. I'm going to mark it. See that line? This will be to the tip. Some of my eyebrows should end here. This area here, and then the arch should be in the middle of the eye, so that's where the highest point of the brow that you could see. So I'm going to mark this here. Okay, so what I like to do is with the pencil just push the product in just to start building up the shade. Alright, so that's pretty much all set. I'm going to comb, and I'm going to start doing smaller strokes downward, because that's where the tip is going to land. Up to there. Then I'm going to comb my lashes down, and I'm going to start applying the product. In kind of straight line, and then I'm going to start pushing the product down so I could keep on filling them in. And then here I'm going to start building my curve to go down. Alright. Brows pretty much set, so I'm going to do smaller strokes here going upwards. Not caring too much what's really happening, as long as I don't pass from this line here. So I'm going to build up strokes. With this pencil at the beginning, it was just a little bit harder to maneuver, but I was able just to conquer this beast. All right. And then then with the darker shade, and this is the medium brown, I'm gonna start then giving myself darker strokes. This is how the brow is looking so far. I like to keep on combing so that will look fairly natural, or pretty natural. And down. Brow, it's pretty much done. Then I'm going to use concealer to carve the brow out. And the concealer that I'll be using is the Maybelline New York in Medium Moen. And this is, you could get a shade darker or pretty close to your skin, but I like to use this one. What I like to do is start here, because then when I do the other brow, it will be a lot easier for me. And since I'm going to highlight that area, it serves like a base. So with this, I'm kind of also making the shape of my brow. And I'm doing the same thing. I'm just carving the brow, and then from up here, I like to go a little bit higher. Then in the front, I'm going to do upward strokes, kind of where the brow it's going to be defined. And then I'm going to use a concealer brush. The concealer brush that I like to do is this flat brush right here. And then I'm going to start making sure that I don't go over the line. I'm just going by it and then building or blending, not building, blending this out. Then I like to, with something, I like to take the excess out. I have a little napkin here, and then I'm going to go in the upwards direction to start blending the line here. Take the excess out, and then I'm gonna go directly from the line below. And then here, with the one in the center, I like to use it like a stippling brush, just like this one. This one is from Wet n Wild, and I like to go in up and down motions. And then when I use the same concealer to go ahead and carve or prime my eyelid, and I use the same one, and then I blend everything out. One of the things that I hate the most and I just dislike on my face, it's the line in between your eyebrow and your concealer and your eyebrow, that everything, you could see like a white cast line or a lighter color on your face, and then your foundation is not blended with your brow concealer. Alright, after that it's done, then I'm going to be using the Brow Gal, and this is from Tony Crooks, and this is how this looks. This was part of my one of my products from BoxyCharm. And look, the tiniest one that this has. Alright, so then I'm going to make sure that my brows are set. There you have it. So I'm going to do at this moment, I'm going to go ahead and do the other brow off camera, so that way this video is not too long for you guys. So I will be right back. Alright guys, so my both brows are set, and to not look too crazy here in front of the camera, I go ahead and went and apply some foundation. I'm about to start filming another video, but I'm gonna leave this video up to here because it's just a brow tutorial. So usually the one that gave me the most problem is the one that I did first. This one is fairly easy, and which one I like better, I never have twin brows, I would have sisters, but this is the way that it's easier for me to maneuver at least these Wet n Wild retractable brow pencils. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel like I said before, and click on that notification bell. That way when I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So I see you guys in my next one. Mwah. Los amo un montón. I love you so much. Bye bye.